welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vlog different than any my other vlog because I want to do the water test. Maybe if you guys doesn't know about that, so I'm going to test my water, the water I usually drink, and this is tap water. And I have the testing kit. So why I do this? First, because I have a aquarium, and we kind of start a new aquarium, and that's what I told you in the last vlog, that we are still doing first for aquarium. It's kind of for cycling still, so I need to do tests all the time until they are the pH, ammonia and everything look perfect for my fish, so they are not die. So I have an idea that why I don't try to test my water, because this is the water I usually drink. So this one is mine. I usually drink Nestle, and this is purified water. And this one, what my husband usually drink, Ozarka, and this is spring water. I like this one because I don't like spring water. In my country, Indonesia, I know this brand, so I always stick with this one, and I just used to. That's why I like it. And this one is tap water. The tap water in America, usually people drink that all the time from tap water. So I just kind of want to know, because sometimes we cook with that and we drink with that in every place. So I just want to know that is this good or safe or something like that. That's why I want to test with a testing kit. Just so you know, if you guys doesn't know about this, that there is the water I want to test is I want to know if there is an ammonia in there. If you guys doesn't know what is that, you guys can Google that ammonia, but I will explain a little bit about ammonia. Ammonia is really if we drink a little bit, that's fine, but it's poisonous even for fish. So if there is a really high ammonia in my air tank, my fish will be die like so fast. So that's really poisonous for fish or even for human. So if we drink in really high ammonia, it's really dangerous for us. So I just kind of want to know what ammonia level in this. I can test for pH and stuff like that, but I just want to know the ammonia. This time I want to test about ammonia because it's it's poisonous. Not poisonous like really poisonous, but and first of all, I am not scientist, so I'm doing this just for fun. So this is just for fun. Okay, let's start. So we are doing test now. First, this is the tap water. I will pour that in the testing glass. So there is a line in here, 5 milli. So we need to put the water right in the line of 5 milliliter. Yep, that's perfect. And this is the tap water. I will put this. Oh, so the testing kit I got is from the freshwater master test kit from API. You can get this testing kit from your local store, fish store, and something like that, and it's really easy to get. And there is a testing water, but it's in the paper, like you put the paper like pregnancy test, like the paper one, but it's not really valid. I do research about that, but I'm not sure. Some people still use that and it still work for them, but I like this one because it's like the best for me, and it's really like valid. It gives you a lot of things in here. You can test the pH. You can see from all of this high range ammonia. This is the one we will test today, the ammonia. And nitrite and nitrate. So today I'm just going to do the ammonia because you know it's important for me. And the really good ammonia level, and you want it, it's 0 ppm. So the more the color is more down in here, the green one, it's really dangerous, it's really poisonous, like you drink your own pee. But you know, it's like, let's start. And this is the test level for the test solution bottle for ammonia. We have 2 bottles in here. The first, they will put everything in here so clear, but if they in the book, you will know everything in the book, you can read everything, and they have so many different languages also. And this is the bottle 1 and the bottle 2. You can just they will give you instruction in here at 8, and then the second one you will at 8. Let's start so you guys know what I'm talking about. This is safe for kids too, so it's really good. This is the first one, bottle 1 at 8. So you need to put like upside down like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. And the next one, we add bottle 2, and we will drop 8 drop in here. Again like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. And we put the caps like that, and we need to shake this for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. And we wait at least 5 minutes, but sometimes it gives you result really quick, like 2 or 3, but it's around 5ish. So I will put, this is the tap water, so I will put this in front of the tap water, and we will go next while we wait. And just so you know, this is still sealed, so I don't put something inside it or something like that. I will pour this in the second bottle, and again it's same 5. Oh, too much. Yep, it's good. I will close this because I don't want to make mess. So we pour this again, bottle 1, same like before. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then the second bottle at 8 drops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. And we close this cap again, and we shake for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. I will put this in front of the bottle. And the last one, it's still sealed too. Spring water. Yep, that's it. 5 ml. Close this. Same like before. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Second one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Ta-da! This is the last one. 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. We kind of wait now, and I will show you how to read the test result from the color and stuff. This is really fun to do. Sometimes I want to test every single thing, like so many different water and stuff like that. And I'm doing tests for my aquarium almost every day because my aquarium still kind of cycling process now. So I want to make sure that my fish will stay and live in there really happy and without all of that poison and ammonia around them. So it's make me happy, it's keep me busy too, and it's fun. And this is the water we drink every day, so that is really it's really good. We know, like, is this the right water for me? And some people drink tap water and they are fine with that, but I just want to know that how all of this, the result for ammonia level. Hey, so it's been 5 minutes and we will see and we will read together the result test. This is the tap water and this is the result. We'll look on the ammonia in here, the middle part. It's look like it's close with 1.0 ppm. So our tap water have ammonia on it. It's not really bad, but it still have ammonia right in the middle of it, at least around here. So, you know, I will not drink it. And I've been reading about can you, if you boil the water or you cook with ammonia, can you remove the ammonia in the water? So they will not remove 100%, but you guys can check again in the Google. It's really easy if you guys want to know. So I will not use that. I will use, I don't know what I need to do. But this is the result for the tap water. And let's see the result for number 2. This is my water I usually drink. It's look like yellow. It's no ammonia on it. So I'm lucky. And I like to stick with Nestle because in my country, Indonesia, I drink this too and we know this brand. So I like that. I like the taste too. I know. And my husband likes spring water. Let's see the test result for the spring water Ozarka. And the result is, can you see? Yep, it's the same with Nestle. So it's good and safe for you guys. No ammonia on it. So if you guys have or drink another water like different brand than these two, you guys feel free to try or test it if you guys want it, just for fun, you know. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.